Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back. We're trying something a little different today. It's a nice, beautiful, sunny day, so we are pouring during the daytime instead of at night when it's 48 degrees. But for us, that's very cold, and my hands freeze at night with paint on them. But we're going to try this during the daytime. So you might hear birds and hummingbirds and cars and fire engines and planes.
Occasional airstrike.
We do the best we can, so... Okay, we have a 15 by 30 inch gallery wrap canvas from Artist Loft. I have taped and pinned the back, and I have painted my sides and edges as well as the surface with one of my leftover colors because I have these two beautiful cups here that are my table scrapings from the last couple of pours from Balance and from Wind in the Leaves that we did. Those were the transparent base coat blowouts that had the cool stencils. One of them had koi on there, the other one had bamboo on there. Really, really pretty. But I think that the drips are so beautiful inside these cups, and I really want to play with them. So the reason I painted the surface is because they have transparent base coat in them. If I flip it over, I didn't want you to just see plain white. I wanted there to be some little bit of color underneath there. So I also have, so those are the two drips from those two previous pours. I also have a little bit of leftover Jadeite, a little bit of leftover Liquitex Metallic Blue, and a little bit of leftover Lumiee by Jacquard. This is the Halo Blue Gold, or Green Gold, whichever one it is. It's so pretty. So, the game plan is, this is largely experimental. I'm going to dump out those 2 cups of drips, and then maybe do a wandering ring pour with those 3 colors across it. So let's actually do that now, because I'm kind of excited about this. I'm literally just gonna like throw this on the canvas. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Aye, lass, that I am.
Okay, here we go. Okay. Ah, it's so pretty. Okay. I love that like watercolory look that we're getting in there. A little bit of speckles of some darker color that we don't want. Okay, let's do this one now. Okay. All right. Probably going to go heavier on this side.
Okay.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Ooh, that's pretty.
It's all in the wrist, baby.
It's very cool. I don't know what these specks of this darker color is, though. It's like a burnt umbre sort of color. Okay. All right, let's tilt this and see what happens. I think that's really pretty. I kind of love that there's that. Let's see if we can get a little bit more of this in through there. And maybe a little bit more of this one in through there. Okay. All right, let's tilt.
Jacqueline Pollock.
No, this is not Acrylic Pollock. I think we're gonna have to get some tweezer action going in here. I see some bits. Okay.
Twigs and leaves.
Berries.
Cat hair, dog hair.
Oh God. Organic embellishments, that's what those are. Okay. Let's just cover up these edges.
Hummingbird dust.
I probably need to change the feeders out today. Okay. Alright, so that's pretty cool looking. I really like that marbleized. It's really pretty on its own. Turn it around.
That's what some people do. That's some other people's paintings.
That's really cool. Okay. Alright. I do think, though, that I would like to play with this a little bit more. So I'm going to take my split cup from my dear friend Fiona that you can get at Fluid Art Co. This is the modular split cup where you can reconfigure the chambers with these lovely dividers. Makes it very, very easy to wash also. You can get that at Fluid Art Co., which is www.fluid.art.co. Okay. Make a clean spot.
Fluid-art?
Fluid-art.co. Okay, so I'm just going to layer these 3 colors in here. Okay. I'm going to put the Liquitex Metallic Blue on one side. We're going to put the Jadeite in the middle. We're going to use that Lumiee by Jacquard, the Halo Green Gold, on this side.
How many ounces is that cup when it's full?
13. And we need 16 ounces for that canvas. That piece of wood. There's your dog hair.
Should be cat hair.
I'm doubtful. Okay. Okay. We're gonna do a wandering ring pour. Kind of, I don't know, I really like this, so I don't want to mess it up. It's really pretty. Okay. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, my love.
Okay, here we go. Wandering ring pour. We're gonna try to stay close to the canvas. Drip right there. Okay. Kind of wish I hadn't done that. I like the original better. But that's okay, because we don't have to cover the entire canvas with this. We can keep some of this background, but still maybe get something pulled on. All right. Let's tilt this out. We're going to go this way first. I'm going to go off that edge. Take this back down. Go off that edge a little. There is kind of a lot of paint on here at this point, but I kind of like the negative space parts, so I want to keep that.
This is Discovery.
Just take a little bit off of this side. Definitely like that top side better. The rings and lines are more distinct. Let's see if we can't push some of this down and get some of that more solid bit off. Better. What do you think, HOA?
Very fluid dynamic racing stripe.
Okay.
Well, I mean that in a good way.
All right, so this is actually, I like what's happening here. I love the sides, the two parts where there was the transparent base coat and we just splashed it out. That was really fun and I think really, really pretty. And I am happy with these lines. So the white color is both the Jadeite, well I guess it is the Jadeite because the split cup had only Jadeite, the metallic blue and the metallic green. We'll see how this turns out. It should be really neat though. I am excited about this. Let's give this a torch. think this actually came out kind of cool. It does look like a racing strip. What was that movie with the snail that was super fast?
Oh, Turbo.
Turbo.
Snailed it.
Okay, so this is kind of nifty. I'm actually really happy. I love the way that this part looks. And this part does have the liquid mirror in it, as long with that transparent base coat and the metallic blue and the jadeite. And there's a little bit in here that might start shimmering and shining as the liquid mirror did. So this will be very interesting to see dry. I will show you guys when it is dry. We'll be right back. Okay, so here we are a couple days later with our dried results. I really like the parts on the sides that were the scrapings from the table with the transparent base coat in there. Came out really beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see the color difference between the blues and the greens. It's very subtle. And then we have the ring pour across the center part, which came out very, very pretty. Beautiful lines in there, beautiful details. I love that deep, darker color that created those shadows. Kind of looks cavernous and really makes those lines three-dimensional. Really, really pretty. So this is very cool. Joey, can you tilt it around for us a little bit? Ooh, okay, stop right there for a second. So you see over in this section, we do see some of the liquid mirror that was in that table scrapings. Very, very cool stuff. And now the jadeite has transformed into kind of a light gold. And the darker green gold, the halo green gold, is now a very light gold. Okay, keep tilting. And come down and then go that. There we go. So it really transforms depending on where you are standing and where you see it in relation to the light source. So they're kind of magical. Very, very cool stuff. So that way a little bit. Stop right there. Okay, awesome. Very cool. Okay, so thank you, Joey. Thank you guys so much for being here with us. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Don't throw away your drips. Don't throw away your table scrapings, because sometimes they come out really, really beautiful. And you could absolutely embellish this. You could do some stencils on there. You could use the glass bead gel. You could do lots of different things. So this was cool. Thanks for being here with us. We'll see you guys next week. Have a great day. Bye-bye.